Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to undo bank reconciliation in QuickBooks Online. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Start by signing in to QuickBooks Online. From the main dashboard, go to Accounting tab from the left side and open the Chart of Accounts section. Find the bank or credit card account that contains the transaction you want to adjust, then select View Register. This will open the account register where you can see all transactions associated with that account. In the register, locate the transaction you want to unreconcile. Look for the status column, which indicates whether a transaction is reconciled or cleared. Transactions marked with an R have already been reconciled. To remove the reconciliation status, click on the R in the status column. The status will cycle through different options. Continue clicking until the field becomes blank. Once the status is blank, the transaction is no longer reconciled. Save the change and repeat the process for any other transactions that need to be corrected. You can also use the register's search and filter tools to quickly locate reconciled transactions. If you need to undo an entire reconciliation period rather than individual transactions, accountant-level access may be required. And that's it. So that's basically how you can undo bank reconciliation in QuickBooks Online. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.